Okay, in this session we will be working on our last skill, which is editing workbooks properties for lesson 2, and we'll assign some keywords to our file. There are different properties that you can assign to a file, to a workbook, and these properties are important for organization and classification of your documents. One of the properties is the keywords, or they are also called tags. And we will see how we can add tags to or keywords to our file. This is the file from our previous session. Let's go back to the backstage and click on this info tab. When you click on the info tab, you can see some properties displayed here: the size of the file, title, tags. Currently they are all empty. Some of the some related dates, date modified, created, etc. Some information is displayed here. And when you click this show all properties, some more fields are added in the file. So we will now here add some tags to this file. Click on the tags field and enter some tags. You can refer to these in your manuals. We are working on the skill task 020601. I repeat, 020601. So please refer to this skill task, and you can enter these tags on your file, customer, and all these tags are separated with a comma, square feet, comma, and price. Then you can add a category as well, revenue. So this is very useful to organize your document. We will now add company, Fabrikam Incorporated, and above this size field you have this label properties. You click on this, drop down and click on advanced properties. So you have a properties dialog box opened, and go to the summary tab, and you can see that this summary tab is displaying some of the information that we have just now entered: the company name, the category, and the keywords. If you go to statistics tab, you can see the date of when the file was created, when it was modified, then accessed, etc. These are the different dates, properties that are available. Click OK to close this, and press escape to come back to your Excel sheet. And now we will be saving the file with a different name. So go back to backstage and click save as, and save in the same folder, student data files, and with a different name. So click before the word solution and add the word prop for properties, and click save to save the file with this name. Here's the new name, and you can close this file, and you can leave the Excel application open if you want to continue to the next lesson, or you can close the application as well.